Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to access Google Photos. So, if you have Android, you need to only open the application. If you have iOS, you need to go to the App Store and then in the search write Photos. Right here you will find Google Photos and you need to install the application. Then open it. Now select your account. I'm going with this one. Only I recommend it to enable backup, but we can also do this later if you don't want it to do right now. So click continue, allow, but if you don't need the application, click do not allow, then continue, allow full access, but you can also set it to limited access, it's up to you. Now, if you disable backup, you can enable it if you tap at your profile icon at the right top. Right here at the second line we have backup, click turn on, original quality and confirm. And now you have the access to it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!